Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to get and install Endnote to your Windows machine. The first thing that we have to do is go to Burupa University Library webpage. So to do that, you can type BUU and then click on the first link. Then go to the list section and find the Endnote link. When you click it, so this is the Endnote web page. So the first thing that we have to do is fill in your name and Burupa University email. So you can use both bu.ac.th or go.bu.ac.th, and it probably a few days that the university staff will reply and give you serial number and product key. Click. So this is the web page that you can get the program. And then choose. You can install the program directly, or you can save the program to your machine. And then install the program. So when you enter to this window, so if you haven't got any product key from the Burupa University staff email, then you can choose 30 days free trial option. And then when your email arrives, then you can fill in the serial number and product key to use this program. Okay, so in this window you have two possible options: typical installation or custom installation. And so if you have no idea what you have to do, then you probably choose the typical installation. But so if you have something in mind that some feature that you probably don't want to install Endnote, then you can choose the custom. So in this case, I will use the typical installation. Alright, so we finished the installation of Endnote on the Windows machine. Okay, so to use the Endnote, you can search or use the window program to open the Endnote. Okay, so in this case I have 14 days to use this trial version. Okay, so this is the my data citation database. So in your case, you can choose the new database, and so you can put in your database in any folder in Windows. So I normally refer to the, okay, for example, I choose this one as the demo. The good thing about using the Endnote is you can find any online paper or journal on the popular server. For example, website, or just use the, I normally use the cross reference. So you can use the DOI to import the journal that you want. Okay, to do that, I will show you a few things. If I interested in this journal and want to use it as the my future citations, so the thing that we have to do is copy the DOI link and then go to the Endnote program and then press the link and search. Okay, they found one paper. Alright, so now we finish the loading or getting the journal as your database citation. So this is the information about the journal. So everything that you need in you probably don't want to tie everything on just the find the DOI and then go to the cross left and then search on the journal or the paper that you want. Okay, that pretty much about installation and using Endnote.